LawToolBox helps transform Teams into a great tool for holding virtual hearings.
Configure Microsoft Teams to make sure you get the behavior you want in your virtual hearing. Next, enable the LawToolBox app in Microsoft Teams.
And then enable the LawToolBox add-in in Microsoft Outlook.
Use LawToolBox to create a Microsoft 365 matter for the case in which you are going to have the virtual hearing. Courts can also verify that pleadings have been timely filed using the LawToolBox rules-based deadlines. Courts can email a LawToolBox deadline report, and they can sync deadlines to an Outlook calendar. The email deadline report contains links to the authorities. The Outlook calendar has the matter name. And in Microsoft Teams, they can see the matter calendar in LawToolBox.
Before you start using the LawToolBox app, your LawToolBox admin can do a one-time setup and create tags that can be used to identify the roles assigned to attendees. Next, your LawToolBox admin creates meeting templates for the main event and breakout rooms that you can use over and over again, making it easy to create a main meeting and any breakout room you want to build on the fly. To use LawToolBox templates for meetings, go to the Virtual Meetings link in the Action menu and click Schedule Meeting. If you don't yet have a team for that case, you will be reminded to create one. Select the template you want to use and it will auto-populate all the meeting information except for attendees and start time. You can select attendees from the list of users the matter was shared to, from the matter contact list. You can select attendees using an AI-driven list that shows you people you have frequent contact with, or you can just paste in an email string of internal and external attendees. The first time you create a meeting in a case or matter, you can assign meeting roles to each attendee that will be later used to quickly build attendee lists for subsequent meetings and breakout rooms. Creating breakout rooms is even faster because breakout rooms inherit the information from the main event. Just select a breakout template and a new channel will be automatically created using the breakout room name, and even cooler, the attendee list is automatically constructed using attendee roles. Use LawToolBox to send each attendee a meeting dashboard email containing links to the main event and each breakout room they are invited to. And of course, you can send yourself a meeting dashboard email with links to the main event and any breakout rooms you might attend.
The court can upload pleadings and exhibits directly to the folder that has been automatically created for the hearing by LawToolBox. External attendees, such as attorneys, parties, and witnesses, can be invited by the court to upload pleadings or exhibits directly to a private and confidential folder in the cloud that no one else will have access to except for the court.
This simple and secure LawToolBox file sharing process works as easily for external Google attendees as it does for Outlook attendees. When the hearing starts, attendees will click on the link provided to them in the meeting dashboard email or the calendar invite added to their personal Outlook or Google Calendar. The organizer will be sharing the screen to let everyone know they have arrived at the correct meeting.
External attendees will be admitted one at a time by the organizer to make sure that no one can crash the hearing. Next, turn on captions and start the recording, which will be automatically saved to the appropriate channel in Court's Microsoft Teams. This recording is only accessible to the courts. Note the transcription that is occurring in the bottom left of the screen.
Microsoft Teams can translate up to 6 languages at once.
Using LawToolBox, joining breakout rooms is easy. Organizers remove any external attendees from the main event that need to join, then attendees click on the Join Meeting link for that breakout room from the Meeting Dashboard email. External members are admitted by the organizer. When it's time to end the breakout meeting, just hang up. Or, if you are the organizer, you can also end the breakout for all. Then the parties can click the Rejoin button for the main event that is continuing. If they have been removed from the hearing, they can use the Meeting Dashboard email to find the Join Main Meeting link. When the hearing is over, the organizer ends the meeting for everyone. When this happens, the hearing video starts to automatically compile in the Microsoft channel in which the meeting was held. To schedule a practice virtual hearing with LawToolBox, contact support@lawtoolbox.com.